Hi everyone, I am Henrique, a software engineer from Brazil. In October 2025, I started a blog called Wasting No Time. The idea came from a side project on GitHub, where I was exploring software architecture and how different stacks behave over time. I wanted those notes and essays to be more accessible. Not everyone likes digging through GitHub, so I turned them in something more public. Here on the blog, I share ideas, projects, and technical reasoning in a light, calm way. To make the content easier to follow, I present technical work as narratives. I borrow the structure from Japanese anime. Each project becomes a saga. Each saga is divided into arcs, and each arc into episodes. Let me show you quickly. That is the homepage where we can find the recent episodes by date. We can click in one of these episodes or go direct to a saga by the links below or in the menu. In Saga there's some explanation and we can view the current arc and the episodes of that arc. In this case, the first brick is the first one from the higher flow, the original blueprint arc from project higher flow. And at the end, navigation to the second episode and so on. It's pretty simple. We can back to arc, can go to the saga, and the library shows the keywords that allows you to search directly some episode with this keyword. So the intention is be easy to read as a book. Everything, the blog, the GitHub projects, and now this YouTube channel is growing slowly and organically. I post as soon as I can, and I try to keep everything clear and intentional. For now, this is just the beginning. If you want to follow the journey, there's more information in the description. And feel free to subscribe to be notified when I post something new. Thanks for watching and see you soon.